Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily reset the network settings on any iPhone. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, friends, and also please put your likes under the video and write your comments. So, let's get down to our topic with you. And first of all, you will need to open the settings on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and go to General. Now General. Also scroll down and find the section which is called Transfer and Reset iPhone. Then please click on the Reset option, and you will need to select Reset Network Settings. After that, enter your phone password, and the reset process will begin. Once all the settings have been reset to factory defaults, you will be able to re-enter the settings on your iPhone. Go to Wi-Fi. Reconnect it to the Wi-Fi network you need. Exactly the same thing you can also do with mobile data and mobile data settings and connection to it. This is the way you can reset the network settings on your iPhone quickly and easily, friends. I really hope you found the video useful. Don't forget, friends, please do not forget to like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye everyone.